So question number 6, two towns A and B are 220 kilometers apart. A bus left at 11 a.m. and traveled towards B at 60 kilometers. At the same time, a matatu left B for town A and traveled at 80 kilometers. The matatu stopped for a total of 45 minutes on the way before meeting the bus. Calculate the distance covered by the bus before meeting the matatu. So we have two towns, that is on A and B, that are 220 kilometers apart. So if we have a bus that left at 11 a.m. 00 with the speed of 60 kilometers per hour traveling toward B, and here we had a matatu that was traveling at 80 kilometers per hour. Then this one, it is stopped at 45 minutes before meeting the bus. Therefore, 45 minutes into hours, if you change 45 minutes into hours, is the same as this one is the same as, that is 45 divided by 60 is the same as 3/4 hours. Therefore, if it is stopped for 3/4 hours, we need to calculate the distance that was covered by the bus within that period when the matatu stopped. So therefore, the distance covered by this bus was 60 then times 3/4, which is the same as, that is 60 times 3 divided by 4, 45 kilometers. 45 kilometers. It covered a distance of 45 kilometers before the matatu proceed with the journey. Therefore, the remaining distance is equal to 220 minus 45, which is the same as 220 minus 45 is the same as 175. So kilometers. Therefore, if you want to calculate time, is given by 175 over 60 plus 80. That is the relative speed, which is the same as 1.25 hours. So they take 1.25 hours to meet. Therefore, the distance from A that was covered by the bus before meeting the matatu, it was 45 then plus 1.25 times 60. Therefore, this one is the same as, so it will give us 120 kilometers. If you take 45 that was initially covered plus 1.25